Hello, my name is Ian Osborne of Leggett Immobilier, and I'm the local agent here for the north of Lot-et-Garonne. Lot-et-Garonne, superb department. It is a close neighbour to the Dordogne, the iconic Dordogne, but in my opinion, and I live here, it's much nicer, much calmer, and we have this wonderful chateau to show you. Okay, so here we have the drive up from the very quiet road actually, and which leads up to the chateau here on the right hand side, and then the extra accommodation homes and etc. apartments, starting with a delicious little granny cottage. So here we have the Maison d'Ami. I mean, it's a wonderful house, overlooking this countryside, and I'd like to go in and show you. Huge electric lighting, concrete floor. What do you want to do with this? Anything. It could be for entertaining, it could be for anything. So here we have a nice pool with the kitchen, larder, your barbecue, pergola, for want of a better term, and it's far away from the chateau. I do know there's been lots of parties here, and you can see why. Nobody's anywhere near you. Okay, so south's over there, and we're going to walk along the north side of the chateau. That's where the pool is. If you remember, we have parking for 4 cars, and this here is the apartment, either for friends or for staff. So I'm going to the chateau now. You have the choice. You can take the lift, or you can keep fit by going up these stairs. I'm going to keep fit. So when I arrived here, I was blown away with all the hidden features, because actually you look at this and you know it's a 17th century chateau. But here we have a 1,000-year-old well, and at the back of me you can see is the electric lift, so that actually there's no problem in climbing the stairs to this elevated position overlooking the Lot-et-Garonne countryside. Well, now you've seen the video, I'm absolutely sure you love this place as much as I do, the chateau and the surrounding countryside. If you want to arrange a viewing, then all the links are actually in the description of the video. Thank you and goodbye from Lot-et-Garonne.